How to buy or sell on crypto.com app beginner's guide trading tutorial. If you want to buy or sell cryptocurrency on the crypto.com app, first of all, let's talk about buying. First of all, just go ahead and download the crypto.com app and make sure to log into your account. Once you log into your crypto.com account, you will see this type of interface where you want to just tap on the option that says trade, as you can see right here. When you tap the trade option, from the bottom you can see buy option and sell option. So first, in order to buy a cryptocurrency, you can just click on the buy option that you can see here. When you go to the buy option, on the next page you can simply choose a cryptocurrency you want to buy. Once you select a certain crypto you want to buy, you can enter the amount in fiat currency for the amount you wish to buy that crypto, and you'll be able to connect your payment method and buy it. Now, if you want to sell it though, so come back to the main crypto.com page. Again, just tap the trade icon that you can see there, but this time you want to go to the bottom right and then just tap on the sell button, as you can see. So when you tap on sell, now you can simply choose the cryptocurrency that you have or own in order to sell them. Then after that, you can enter for the amount that you wish to sell. Then from the bottom you can simply go ahead and then enter the amount. You can also maximize it or minimize it. Once done, you will be able to confirm the selling process of your cryptocurrency. Then after you've done that, you would have successfully sold your particular crypto on crypto.com. This is how you can buy and sell on crypto.com app. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.